Okay. I would like to sincerely thank all of the members of the Sangha and all of the lay members of the Wat Buddhapanya Society. Master set out 20 years ago to make a place where a stranger could walk in the door for the first time and feel at home. And I can tell you that he was successful, because that is the feeling that I had before I set foot here. But once I was here, it was absolutely certain. Earlier we heard Master say, when he was a child, his mother took him to the temple and he saw Buddha for the first time. And he said, I know him. He is my Buddha. Never having seen him before, he knew that. 1 year ago, when I was scrolling through TikTok, I came across Master. And I had the same epiphany. This is my teacher. I know him. I had never met him before, but I knew it from the first moment I saw him. And since then, I have grown through his guidance and wisdom and compassion. And all the monks here, I've spoken to each monk individually. We have learned from each other, and we have shown kindness to one another, and that will continue for the rest of my life. So again, I want to thank you very much for welcoming me, and I look forward to a lifetime of friendship. And I hope to be back next year for ordination. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, before growing the tree, please go to under the tree to peel the wood. Okay.